To get started, you first need to download Android Studio. If you go to developer.android.com, and from here you'll usually find a reference to Android Studio, and in this instance it's here at the top. Go ahead and select Android Studio, and from here you'll go ahead and download the application. From there you'll agree to any requirements and press download. Once that's finished downloading, go ahead and double-click to launch the installer. If you have a previous version, it will go ahead and uninstall it for you. You can choose Next. You can confirm if you're okay to uninstall it. We'll go ahead and continue. And we do want to make sure that Android Virtual Device is selected and choose Next. Then confirm. And we can create a shortcut and choose Install. Once that's completed, go ahead and choose Next, and you can go ahead and launch Android Studio for the first time. With Android Studio installed, you're ready for the rest of the course. If you'd like to take a look at the completed project source code, once you've downloaded the source code and unzipped it, you can choose Open an existing Android Studio project. From here, navigate to where it is opened and select the folder. In this case, it's called My First App, so select Folder and choose OK. From here, it's going to open the project and begin and try to compile it. If there are any dependencies or libraries or things that are not available within your installation, you may find that Android Studio will download a number of additional files, and that may take a few minutes before it's ready to be run.